Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use VLookup in Excel. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to just share my screen and show you how to use it very simply. All right, so you should be seeing my screen. And all you need to do is open up an Excel sheet. And I have some information here already. So VLookup is about retrieving data within a table. So let's pretend this is your table, all right? So for my table, I have a table with document IDs and the cost of each document, all right? This is my lookup table. So this is the table I'll be actually pulling my data from. In column A, I have only the document IDs, which is similar to what I have in my lookup table. So I'm trying to pull these IDs from this table here, all right? So I'm going to create my VLookup function. So all you need to do is I'm clicking on cell B2. First, I want to find 2 or 5 in my lookup table. To do that, I'm going to create a VLookup function. So I will say equal VLookup. It came up already, so I can double click it. And it's looking for my lookup value, which in this case would be A2, 205. So I'm going to click that. And then I'm going to put a comma. Next, I need a table array. Table array means my lookup table. So I'm going to click this cell because I want it to start from here. Hold it down, and I'm going straight down to cell E12 and let go. So I'm finished with that. I'm going to press my comma. There are some versions that don't use a comma. I think some of them use semicolon, but it would show you whether or not it is a comma to separate each value. Next, you see column index number. The column index number means what column do I want to bring back? Do I want to bring back my document ID, or do I want to bring up my cost of document? Well, I want to bring up my cost of document. And that is, this is column 1 and this is column 2. So I'm going to put the value 2. Then comma. Next, I have to put true or false. Now I'm going to click false because I want exactly the value that is stated in the column. So I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to close my parenthesis. Now I am finished. However, we want to do what are called absolute values. So absolute values always uses dollar signs. So I'm going to put a dollar sign by my D, then a dollar sign by my 2, a dollar sign by my E, and a dollar sign by my 12. That means that no matter how far down I go, it doesn't matter. It does not change. It does not change the range of cells. That's why I'm using dollar signs. So if I go to the next cell, so if I go to cell B3 and I put the same formula in, it would only be for these range of cells. It's only looking in these range of cells. It does not move. It does not shift. All right. And so once I'm finished, I press enter. So if you notice 2 or 5 here, which is the same as here, the value it should bring back is 5,005, which is what it did. All right. Now to simply do all the rest, I would click in my cell B2 that I just did, go to my bottom right until it forms a black cross, click and hold, and drag all the way down and let go. And copy the formula throughout column B. So 201 is 5,001, that is what came back. 203 is 5,003, and that came back also. That, in a nutshell, is how you do VLookups in Excel. Bye.